Welcome to Trade Setup and the morning jumpstart for this Friday, the 2nd of September. Alright, let's look at the markets overnight. The SPY futures closed down 12 points. The S&P 500 closed down 2.25 points. Relatively flat night there. FTSE 100 futures closed down 41 points. The DAX futures closed down 87 points. Gold was up $5.70. Oil finished $1.54 lower, so that got belted down a bit. The CRB index was down 2 points, so just a touch over, and the Aussie's currently around 75.51. Over to the ASX 200 now. We've got the 30-minute chart here. We can see that move has been down over the last few days. That action, making lower highs and lower lows. We have pushed down to a solid level on the daily charts for 54.04. Now we've touched through that once and we pushed lower again probably overnight last night, and then bounced back into the US close. We aren't expecting a hell of a lot of action lower, continuation lower tonight, because we do have the US payrolls out tonight, which is a big number. We should, if that number comes out quite strong, we should see the US rally off the back of that. But we'll see how that plays out. We are in overbought territory on this 30-minute chart, but the opposing longer-term charts are actually the reverse, down, towards oversold territory. So it has been a good move down the last few days. So if we do push back up and make, over today and over tonight some good numbers, and we push back up, make a higher low, we could potentially push back through 54.32 and 54.60 just to retrace some of that last few days action lower. Okay, one to look at for tonight also is the Aussie dollar. This is the 4-hourly chart. Again, payrolls out tonight. We're expecting a bit of action there. That market we've seen it push through that 75.82 support level. Got down to daily support, popped back up, retested that level, and then has pushed down to make a lower low. Now we have been contracting the last half a day back off that, pushing through that lows. We wouldn't be surprised to see 74.50 tested, but longer term we do expect that just to pop up, but we'll see. Action has been, since about the 11th, has been lower, so we can see the lower highs here and lower lows forming, and then that major push through that level, hit daily support, then we have seen that broken. So we'll see if that action can continue or whether we just spike through, but again that will play out. We'd expect tonight sometime. We'll see what happens. Okay, one we're keeping an eye on today is Pilbara, PLS. This is a daily chart of Pilbara. We do expect to see a push through 55. We can see that minor downtrend here has been broken. We have some major support at 45 with 3 tests there and rejection. We can see some nice rejection candles there. We are in overbought territory and we've been banging around in this level here. If we do get through 55, we still have some major resistance around 59, and that downtrend hasn't been broken yet just because we got through there. We need to see really a push up through here. We'd like to see another higher low build here so we can get that push through 59, but we'll see how that plays out. Okay, Recep Health Limited. This is the daily chart of this stock. We had an alert at 30, it was trading around 36 and a half when we alerted that, and that has pushed up nicely. We're seeing a close around 40 as of yesterday, or 40 and a half, I think, 40. And we are looking for a continuation high to 42. We can see that has got a good base at 28, and then we made a high low at 32, which is really nice. And we can see the stochastics supporting that move higher. Continuation would be great, and we could be looking up to 47, 48 zone. Now that price structure is really nice. We've come out, broken that downtrend, and that recent downtrend since about, I think, June, mid-June, and we are looking towards the high. So we'll see how that plays out again today. Anyway, thanks very much. We'll see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend.